Hello and welcome to another episode of Workshop Wednesday, and today we're going to be having a look at the Rapidor power hacksaw. We've got a number of tools here in the workshop for cutting metal. Some are more successful than others and some have more strengths and weaknesses than others. They're all very different. So firstly we've got the Clark Metalworker bandsaw, which can be used in the horizontal position or in the vertical position, made easier when we put the table on here. Then we've got another Clark Metalworker tool, which is this big, almost like an angle grinder, but mounted to this table, which we don't have anything against Clark, but we don't especially like this certain tool because it's very noisy and tends to be quite smelly. And if those two fail, we've got good old angle grinder. And if we go back a couple of 100 years, we've got a normal hacksaw, which comes into use very little when we've got all these other tools. But a more recent addition is, of course, the power hacksaw. Now, when this tool arrived in the workshop, it had this quite manky old rubber wiring running onto the power plug, it runs on 3-phase electricity, and we replaced it with this Armorflex SY cable, which is the same stuff that we put on the Centec mill. And it had a direct short in the motor, but we fixed that up and went through all the electrics in the motor and the control box, and that all works now. Now on the power hacksaw, it has this hydraulic damper here and this stay. So when I lift this up, if I was cutting something, I make sure the stay is over this notch, then I could just let it go, and the damper stops it from just slamming down on whatever you're cutting, which whatever you're cutting will be held in the vise here, which has one fixed part, and then the other jaw is adjusted by the lever here, which obviously you turn and you can open it, and there's these slots on here, so that you can twist them to whatever angle you want the piece of material to be cut at. Now, the blade that it's currently got on isn't the sharpest, but it'll cut fine, and will do for showing you what a good machine this is by cutting this piece of box section. Nice and tight. Start it off. Handy feature of the power hacksaw is this micro switch thing, which controls when it stops with when the saw goes down after cutting something, as you saw it dropped. Obviously not very quickly because of the hydraulic damper. And then when this touches this bit on here, creates an electrical circuit and it stops the hacksaw. The power hacksaw did a really good job of cutting those couple of bits of metal, and it's a really handy tool to have in the workshop. But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching. Comments welcome, and it's always nice if people like and subscribe. I'm not here to beg you though, but it does help out the channel. But I'll see you in the next episode of Workshop Wednesday. Bye!